Guys, now let's start. Let's start with the today's class. Guys, everyone. Yes, sir, joined. Okay. Guys, let's start with the class today. Today we have to start with a new chapter, that is regression analysis. Okay. Guys, regression analysis is one of the most important chapter for our CA foundation examination. Many students find it difficult, but I will make this chapter very easy with the new techniques and new concepts that I will teach you. Okay. Guys, let's start. Guys, when you will look at the background, first of all, we'll go with the definition part of the regression. What do you mean by regression? Guys, then we will develop some aim in this chapter. Sir, what do you mean by developing the aim? Guys, I will tell you the aims, don't worry. We'll develop 3 aims in this chapter. Aim number 1, aim number 2, and aim number 3. In examination, either the question will come from the aim number 1, or the aim number 2, or aim number 3, or in combination of aim 1 plus 3, aim 2 plus 3, aim 1 plus 3. That's why I have bifurcated things into aims. Guys, then we'll go with the common property, very easy property, whether it is affected by the origin or skill, same thing. Then other important highlights. You can mark this as LDR, last day revision, other important highlights, most favorite area of the institute, and one is the aim, LDR, one of the most important area for our study. Guys, let's start with this chapter. Guys, I will come back to this flow. I will come back to the flow of the chapter. Let's first of all start with the definition of regression analysis. Guys, write down with me. Regression analysis means, write down with me, regression analysis means estimating the value of one variable, estimating the value of one variable, write down dependent variable when the value of another variable, guys, that is independent variable is known. When the value of another variable that is independent variable is known. Guys, done with writing? Shall we start? Shall I start with the concept now? Guys, done? Done with writing? Guys, everyone done with writing? Sundar, done. Maria, done. Sanjay, done with writing? Emmanuel, Ranjit, guys, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Mute all. Yes, sir, please mute everyone. Yes, done. Guys, I have muted you all. Whenever you want to speak, unmute yourself. I'm not restricting the access from your side. Unmute yourself, speak your answer, then again mute yourself. Okay, so that decorum of the class will be one. Pooja, write down fast. Regression analysis means estimating the value of one variable, estimating the value of one variable when the value of another variable is known. Done? Guys, now let's start with the flow of the chapter. Guys, very, very easy chapter, you'll find it. And I will make sure that you score 100% marks in this chapter. Don't worry. Okay? Guys, are you all here? Shall we start now? Pooja, done? Okay. Guys, see. Guys, my aim number 3, my final aim in this chapter is the definition of this chapter. What is the definition of this chapter? So definition says regression means estimating. Estimated means calculating the value of one variable when the value of another variable is already known to me. I am saying this is my final aim, that is my aim number 3, to estimate the value of one variable when I am already known with the value of the another variable. Sir, it means, for example, if I ask you, guys, estimate the value of y. I am asking the value of one variable y when value of x is 2. Guys, are you able to understand my first aim? What is my final aim? What is my final aim? That final aim is the regression analysis definition. And what the regression analysis definition says? Regression analysis definition says your final aim in this chapter is to estimate the value of one variable when you already know the value of the another variable? Sir, okay, it means for example, you have to estimate the value of y when the value of x is 2. You have to estimate the value of y when the value of x is 2. Guys, now just tell me how you will estimate. Sir, we can estimate the value of one variable, but we need to have one equation. For example, if I say, wait a minute. Okay, guys, for example, if I say, guys, what is the value of y when x is 2? Okay, sir, you have to estimate the value of one variable y when the value of another variable is known. Yes, sir, x is known is 2. So guys, if I say, if I give you the relation x is y is equal to 2x plus 3, guys, can you tell me what is the value of y when x is 2? Guys, can you tell me the value of y when x is 2? Sir, Maria is saying 7. Okay, sir, how you perform this? Everyone, guys, how you perform? Sir, we put this value of x over here. Y is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3. That is, sir, 4 plus 3. That is y is equals to 7. Everyone perform this activity. Guys, everyone perform this activity. Guys, can I say, sir, we can do this? We can estimate the value of y over here also. But give us one equation. Sir, we can estimate. Can I say, sir, we can estimate. We can estimate the value of one variable when value of another is known. Another is known. Sir, what is your requirement? But, sir, but we need equation. But we need one equation. Why you need equation? Sir, so that we can put the value of one variable and we can get the value of another variable. Say yes or no. Sir, we can estimate. Sir, we have already estimated here. Here, we have estimated the value of x, y equal to 7 when the value of x was known. But for that, you have given us the equation. If you will not give me the equation, if I will not give you the equation, can you estimate the value of one variable? Yes or no? Can you estimate without equation? Can you estimate? Yes or no? No. So, sir, here comes the origin of our aim number 2. Guys, you cannot achieve your aim number 1 unless you have already achieved your aim number 2. Sir, what do you mean by achieving aim number 2? I am saying, you guys, you cannot estimate the value of x when y is 2 unless you are having the equation. Without, where you will put x? Where? Sir, we need one another aim. Guys, here comes the origin of the another aim. That is aim number 2. And my aim number 2 is regression equation. Regression equation. My aim in this chapter was not to teach you regression equation. This was, guys, my need of the arc. Because my final aim is to estimate the value. That is the definition only. Estimating the value of one variable and another variable is known. That is the definition only. That is my final aim. This was my final aim. But I cannot achieve this aim unless I have already achieved the aim number 2. That is, unless I am having the regression equation. Because, sir, if I will have the equation, I will put the value of x and I will get the value of y. But to achieve the aim number 1, I am dependent on aim number 2. Now, here comes the challenge. Okay, guys, I have given you the equation y is equals to a plus bx. Put the value of a, put the value of b, and the equation will be constructed. For example, I said you, guys, a is 2 and b is 3. So, can you construct the equation? Yes, sir, very easily. Y is equals to 2 plus 3x. Now, sir, we have the equation. Now, we will put the value of x and we will estimate the y. But I am saying, guys, this is not so easy. I will never give you a and b. This is your aim. Oh, sir, we cannot achieve the aim number 2 unless we have the value of b. A is constant. They will give you a. Don't worry. A will automatically come. Guys, we are dependent upon b. Because without the b, you cannot construct the equation. Unless you have the equation, you cannot achieve the aim number 1. Can I say my aim number 1 is dependent upon the aim number 2? Without aim number 2, can you achieve the aim number 1? Yes or no? Guys, now I am saying without regression equation, you cannot estimate the value. and I am saying you cannot construct the aim number 2 unless you are having the value of b. Sir, here you will, sir, we will construct the equation, but we need the value of b, guys, and this b is known as regression coefficient. If you are, sir, I cannot achieve aim number 2 unless I have achieved the aim number 1. And guys, here comes the 3 aims in my this chapter: aim number 1, aim number 2, and aim number 3. Because once you achieve the aim number 1, you are having the value of b. You will put in y equal to a plus bx. You have the equation. Now you have the equation. Put the value of x and get the value of y. This is my aim number 1. Guys, can I say this is the flow of the chapter? This is the flow of the chapter. If you understand this flow, this chapter is extremely easy for you. Extremely easy for you guys. Tell me yes or no. Guys, whether this flow of the chapter is clear or not. Sir, we cannot construct equation unless we have b. Okay, if you have b, can you construct the equation? Yes, sir, y equal to a plus bx. I will put the value of b. I will get equation. Okay, now you are having the equation. Can you estimate the value of y? When I have given you x, sir, if you have given us the equation, I will put the value of y and get the value of x. And that is your final aim in this chapter. Say yes or no. Guys, is this point clear? Maria, Sanjay, Pooja, everyone, Ranjit. Okay, guys, I have not even started the chapter. I am just creating the background, the logic of the chapter. What is the flow of the chapter? I'm just trying to create the flow in your mind, how this chapter will proceed. And we will solve the full-fledged question. Once the one full-fledged question is done, where we will achieve aim number 1, 2, 3, everything, you will be clear with the chapter. Okay, guys, now let's start with the chapter. Here, guys, value of one variable is known. Okay, that is known as dependent variable, and the value of another variable we have to identify, that is known as independent variable. So what do you mean by here? You have used two words, dependent and independent. So can you please explain the dependent and independent? Let's understand one word terminology, that is dependent and independent. Guys, when I do the advertisement of 100 rupees, I make the sale of 500. I make the sale of 500. When I do the advertisement of 90 rupees, I make the sales of 450. When I make the advertisement of 80 rupees, I get the sales of 350 rupees. Now, how much at when I will make the advertisement of 125, what will be my sales? If I'm saying advertisement as X and sales as Y, guys, here I will tell you the value of the variable which is known. Can I say here X is known? I need to identify Y. Y is sales. Can I say I know the X and I need to identify Y? Guys, the variable X is independent. And Y is dependent. I will explain this. Is dependent. Why? I will tell you, guys. I will tell you the value of the variable which we don't know. I don't know the value of y. I need to identify the value of y. That is always dependent variable. And the variable whose value is known, here the value of x is known. Guys, this is the independent. We know the value, independent. And the variable whose value I need to identify, that is the dependent variable. Now reverse the case. Now I am saying I made the sales of 600. What should be my advertisement cost? Now here I will say in the same case, now since I need to identify the value of x, that is dependent, that is dependent variable, and the value of y is known. That's why, guys, it is independent variable. It is independent variable. Guys, just tell me whether this point is clear or not. whether this point is clear or not. Whether this point is clear or not. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Guys, now let's make a writing part. What do you, sir, can you tell me what is the crux? What can we draw the crux? Yes, independent means the variable whose value is known is independent variable. And what is dependent? The variable whose value we are required to calculate. We are required to calculate is known as dependent variable. Guys, write down. Oh, can you do this? Take this and guys, done. Guys, are you done with this? Guys, are you clear with the dependent variable and independent variable? Since I need to calculate x is dependent. Here I need to calculate y, here y is dependent. The variable whose value we are required to calculate, the variable whose value is not identified to us, that is dependent. And the variable whose value is already known to us, that is independent. That is independent. Guys, till now we have just studied the definition. Now, can I say, sir, you cannot achieve your aim number 3 unless you have achieved your aim number 2? Here, to estimate the value of one variable, I need to identify the variable, and the variable whose value is required to be identified is known as dependent variable. We need to put the value of 2 of another variable into one equation. Sir, we need to have equation, because if we will have the equation, I will put the value of independent variable, I will put the value of x in that equation, and I will get y. Sir, here comes the origin of the new aim, that is regression equation. Because without equation, I cannot put the value of one variable and I cannot get the value of another variable. Can I say I cannot achieve my final aim unless I have the equation? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Guys, fast. Guys, here comes we have to study our next aim, that is aim number 2. Till now, I'm just trying to create the flow of the chapter in your mind, guys. The way we are going to deal with this chapter, you will never forget this chapter in entire life. This is my for sure promise. Just tell me this. Sir, can you ask that question once again? I am asking again question. Can I say, you cannot achieve your aim number 3? You cannot achieve your aim number 3, that is the final aim, unless you have already achieved the aim number 2. I cannot estimate the value of one variable unless I am having the regression equation. I need to have the equation first. If I will have the equation, I can put the value and I can get the answer. Without equation, I cannot estimate the value. Say yes or no. Sanjay, without equation, can you estimate the value? No, sir. That's the important. Guys, now because I cannot achieve my aim number 3, because I cannot because I cannot achieve my final aim without equation, let's understand the next aim, that is aim number 2, guys. How estimation of the value, regression equation. Guys, now see, y depends upon x. It means y dependent. Here I have to calculate y. Y. X is known. And when you want to calculate x, here y is known. So, guys, can I say, when I need to find the value of y? Sundar, I have not saying, I have just said, See, Sundar, I have just said this. I'm repeating this thing. I cannot achieve my final aim, Sundar. I cannot estimate the value of y unless I am having the equation, because if I will have the equation, then only you can put the value of x in the equation. I cannot achieve this 7. I cannot achieve this 7. My final aim number 3, unless I am having the equation, that is aim number 2. You cannot achieve your final aim. You cannot estimate the value of one variable unless you have the equation. And guys, that's the origin. That's why we are studying the new concept, that is the regression equation. Okay. Sundar, just tell me, it is very important that this much is clear to you. It is very important for me. Okay. Okay. Without regression equation, yes. See how you will achieve. If I will say, Sundar, calculate x is equals to 2 when y is equals to 3. Sorry, calculate x is equals to, calculate the value of x when y is 3. Calculate the value of x and when y is 3. How you will do? Sir, you will ask, sir, give me one equation so that I can put the value of y3. But if I will not give you the equation, can you calculate the value of x? Can I say my final aim number 3 is dependent on the regression equation? That is your aim number 2, because without aim number 2, I cannot achieve my final aim number 3. Okay. Guys, that's why we are understanding the new aim, that is aim number 2, regression equation. Because without regression equation, sir, is there any difference between equation? Yes, Maria, there is a difference. There is a difference, small, slight difference. Okay, but don't manipulate, don't bring equations chapter over here. That is maths part. This is stats part. Okay, so don't bring that. That will bring confusion in your mind. Okay, whatever question comes in your mind, I will clear it later on. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm here for all the questions. Okay, but just understand over here, guys. Now, please pay attention. This is very, very important. Now, see, guys, now y depends upon x. This means I have to calculate the value of y, and the value of x, for example, is known. Depends upon x. Y depends means I have to calculate the value of y, and the value of x is known. What do you mean by x depends upon y? It means I have to calculate x. I have to calculate x, and value of y is known. If I need to calculate y, I will say calculate y on x equation. And if I need to calculate x, I will say construct x on y equation. Is this point clear or not, guys? Is this point clear or not? Whenever I want to calculate y, I will say y on x. And when I want to calculate x, I will say x on y. Guys, yes. Super clear, sir. Okay, guys. Now let's construct the equation. Whenever y depends upon x, I will write the equation y is equals to a plus bx. Put the value of a and b over here, and you will get the y on x equation. Once you have the equation, put the value of the variable that you know, you will get the estimate the value of another variable. That is your final aim in this chapter. But sir, how to construct this equation? Guys, when you want to calculate y on x, it will start from y is equal to a plus bx. And when you want to calculate x on y, the line will start from x is equals to a plus by. This is the general form. I will explain what do you mean by general form. I will teach you. Sir, what do you mean by general form? I will tell you. I will tell you why I am saying this general form. I will give you the logic behind that. Guys, there is one more form, point form. This says y minus y bar. What do you mean by y bar? Guys, y bar is the mean. Y bar is the y mean is equals to b. Now, what kind of b this is? Sir, you are calculating y on x. So, I will name it y on x bracket x minus x bar. Now, when you want to calculate x on y, my formula will start from x. X minus x bar is equals to b. X on y, x depends upon y, x depends upon y, bracket y minus y bar. Guys, write down this fast. I'm giving you time. Write down this fast. Write down. Oh, sorry. Wait a second. Wait. Guys, write down. Write down this fast. Written, Sanjay? Done? Okay. Everyone done? Okay. Guys, now let's come back to the understanding part. Just tell me, I need to estimate the value of y when x is 3. Whether what equation I need to have, y on x or x on y? Just tell me this. Wait, yes, x on y or y on x? Just tell me this, x on y or y on x? Sir, you need to estimate y. It means you need to have y on x. Okay. Now, if I need to estimate the value of x and y is equals to 5 is given, what equation I need to have? X on y. Guys, if I give you x on y, x is equals to 2 plus 3y. Can you construct the x when y is 5? You will put over 5 over here. 5, 3 are 15. 15 plus 2, how many? 7. Sir, x is 17. Is this point clear? Sir, if you want to calculate the value of y, I will construct y on x. And if you want to calculate the x, y is known. I will say x on y. Whether this point is clear or not, guys? Absolutely clear or only clear? Okay. Okay, guys. Now see. Now please pay attention. Sir, let's construct the equation. I said, let's start constructing the equation. Let's construct, sir, y on x, sir. Let's construct y on x. I said, let's start. Sir, y is equals to a plus bx. Oh, sir, how we will construct, sir? We don't know the value of b. Okay, sir, a is residual. A will come automatically. But, sir, how we can construct the equation? We don't know the value of b. Guys, can I say I still cannot achieve my aim number 2? Because I am not having the value of b. Say yes or no. Guys, that's why here comes the logic. See, here a and b are the regression parameter. That's okay. Now see, from the above, we can clearly see we cannot construct the equation. We cannot construct the equation unless we have the value of b. If you are having the value of b, you can construct the equation. If you have constructed the equation, you can put the value of one variable and get the value of another variable. Say yes or no. Guys, here comes the origin of the new aim, that is regression coefficient. Guys, why? My aim number 1, regression coefficient. If you are having the regression coefficient, what do you mean by regression coefficient b? Can you construct the equation? Say yes or no. If you are having the value of b, can you construct the equation? Guys, if you have constructed the equation, can you get the value of one variable when another variable is known? That is the flow of the chapter. Clear or not? Sir, now, sir, we cannot proceed unless we have achieved the aim number 1. Guys, that's why now I have to start teaching you another aim, that is regression coefficient. And here comes the first aim, and I'm naming this as my aim number 1. Because without achieving aim number 1, without having the value of b, I cannot construct the equation. And without constructing the equation, I cannot achieve my final aim, that is, I cannot estimate the value of one variable when another variable is known. Sir, now we are having the need to achieve the aim number 1. Say yes or no. Now, guys, are you getting the curiosity? Is that, are you getting the curiosity of the chapter? Oh, sir, we cannot, sir, we need to achieve the final aim. Estimate the value. I will estimate the value of x. Y is 2. Sir, how? Sir, give us the equation. I will not give it to you. You construct. Sundar said, okay, sir, I will construct. Y is equal to a plus bx. Go, construct. Sir, can you give me the value of b? Why I will give it to you? You construct value of b. Sir, okay. So I need to study value of b first. Then I can construct the equation. I can construct the equation. I can get the value. Final aim is achieved. Say yes or no. Guys, are you getting the? Now, when I'm giving you 3 seconds, it's too less. Okay. I'm giving you entire 1 minute. I'm giving you entire 1 minute. Now guys, I want all of you to start flow of the chapter and come down till the area we have studied. I'm giving you one minute, revise all the things that we have studied till now. I'm giving I'm giving 2 minutes. Go patiently, revise all the things and come back to the area, because now we have to start with the practical aspect of the chapter. I'm giving you 1 minute, guys. Guys, you are having the concept handbook now. You have written. See in your concept handbook. Start. Guys, done? Okay. Guys, now we can start. Now see. Now see. Guys, done with this, done with this, done with this, done with this, done with this. Guys, now can I say, sir, we need to have the value of b first. If you will not have the value of b, you cannot construct the regression equation. Okay, that's why we have to achieve the first aim, that is we have to get the value of b. So now, sir, if we have to calculate y on x, we will calculate by on x. And if we want to calculate the x on y, we will have the value of, we need the value of x on y. Guys, now write down the formula. Okay, now write down the formula with me. Write down over here. If all observations are given, if all observations are given, then try to apply this formula. R is, sorry, b y on x is equals to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y upon n x square summation minus summation x whole square. Okay, guys, can you see here, b y on x, y on x means it ends on x, so there will be in denominator there will be x. What will be x on y? I'm coming in 1 minute. What will be x on y? It will be n summation xy minus summation x into summation y. Denominator there will be same, in numerator there will be same. Now since it ends on y, here there will be n y square summation minus summation y whole square. This is same as we have studied in the Carl-Pearson, guys. This is same as we have studied in the Carl-Pearson, correct? Now, write down over here, if R and standard deviations are given, if R means correlation coefficient, R, we have computed in the previous chapter, R, coefficient of correlation, okay, whose value lies from -1 to 1. If we are having a value of R, can we calculate B? Yes, again there is one formula. B y on x is equals to R, standard deviation of y, since it's x on ends on x, in denominator there will be standard deviation of x. And what will be x on y, guys? R, standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. Standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. Now, third formula, if covariance is given, covariance between x and y is given, then try to prefer last formula, b y on x is equals to covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of x whole square, and b x on y will be covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of y whole square. See, when it ends on x, in denominator there is x, okay, and when it ends on y, in denominator there is y. So when it ends on x, in denominator there is x, ends on y, there is y and y. Guys, I hope this point is clear. Write down these things fast, guys. Okay, write down everything. Now we'll start with the practical aspect of this chapter. Okay, guys, I'm giving you 1 minute. I'm giving you 1 minute. Are you done with the writing this formula? No, it's standard deviation x square. It's standard deviation square. It's standard deviation square. It's not x square. It is standard deviation of x whole square. Okay, guys. Now I want all of you to. We will solve all the questions. Okay, guys. Wait. Write down over here also. We'll study the covariance in detail in measure of dispersion. We are have to study the covariance. But write down here over here. Covariance between x and y is equals to, covariance between x and y is equals to summation of x minus x bar into y minus, wait, let's write down with the red formula for black also, n, sorry, summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by number of observation n. Guys, we will study this formula in detail, but please keep this in your mind and revise. Whenever you are revising this, you need to revise the formula of covariance, because third formula require the covariance, and here is the covariance formula: x minus x bar into bracket y minus y bar whole summation divided by number of observations. Guys, done? Guys, done with writing? Okay, guys, now you have to compute. I am taking one only calculation, b y on x. Guys, you have to compute b y on x. Now you have to think which formula is better for option A, and you have to calculate everything and give me the answer. I am waiting for your final answer. I'm just waiting for your final answer. Guys, I need 2-3 minutes. You all try question number 1 and 2. Guys, you all of you try question number 1 and 2. I will be back in 5 minutes. Just calculate your answers, okay? Just calculate your answers. Guys, done? Guys, all of you done? Okay. Sir, I found the solution for case A. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me check. Wait. Nah, answer is 9. Wrong answer. Let's start. Guys, can I say for the first question, I will use the first formula. Guys, I will be using the first formula, that is B y on x is equals to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n some x square summation minus summation x whole square. Guys, is this point clear? Yes, 9 Sanjay, 9 is the right answer. Ranjit, something wrong you have done. And Sun Murgraj, I will tell you Raj, I will call you Raj. Please understand, I'm talking to you, okay? No, Prasanna, wrong answer. Guys, let's see. What will be n? Number of observation is 5. What is summation x into y? 540. What is summation x? Is 15. What is, guys, summation y? That is 150 divided by again n x square summation given x square summation. Sir, Shanmugraj. So you can call me Raj. Yes, I will call you Raj. I am sorry, I'm unable to pronounce your name. A little bad in pronouncing the new names. So I will tell you Raj. Okay, consider I'm talking to you. Guys, now see what summation x square is given 55. Summation x whole square. Guys, what will be summation x whole? Sir, this is summation x and asking about summation x whole square. So this will be 15 whole square. This will be 15 whole square. Guys, can you calculate this? Madam, is there any calculator over there? Open. Okay. Guys, what will you 5 into 540? 5 into 540. Guys, this will 2700. You can use m plus and m minus and you can calculate the directly answer, but I am discussing this time. Yes, 15 into 150. Y summation x into summation y. Yes, 2250. 5 into 55. This will 275. 15 whole square, guys. 15 into 15. How much it is? 225. 2700 2700 minus 2250, guys. This is 450 divided by 275 divided by minus 225. Guys, this is 50. Can you divide this 450 divided by 50? This is, guys, 9. 9 is your final answer. Yes. No, 50. Sanjay, 450 divided by 50, not 5. Guys, have you all received the answer? Yes or no? Guys, say yes or no. Okay. Guys, now without wasting your any time, just tell me which formula is better for this. Which formula is better? 1, 2, 3. Which formula? Anyone? Correct. Third formula. Why? Sir, see, here I am not provided with R, nor you are having the standard deviation, neither you are having the covariance. But guys, look at this. Can you calculate the covariance? Guys, can you calculate the covariance? Yes, sir. The formula for the covariance is, okay. Guys, now see. Okay. If you are not able to solve this question, that's not your mistake. Write down one thing more. Guys, write down one thing more over here. Covariance, and what will be the standard deviation of x? That will be y. Y minus y bar summation of y minus weight. Summation of y minus y bar whole square divided by n whole under root. What will be standard deviation of x? This will be under root of summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Guys, please write down this formula. Now please think for the formula number 2. Okay. Guys, please write down this. Please write down this formula. Guys, done? Now, please try this question. Guys, you can calculate covariance. Whenever you can calculate the covariance, don't think about any other formula. Okay. Don't think about any other formula. Always think about the formula number third. What is the formula number third? Okay, let's write down the formula for that. Sir, you need us to calculate the standard deviation by on x, by on x, and either you can calculate r. Can you calculate r? No. Now there is only one formula left. That is covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of x whole square. Guys, can you calculate the covariance? And can you put it over here? Yes, sir. We can calculate the covariance between x and y. What will be that? Standard deviation summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. Guys, you are already having x minus x bar into y minus y bar. That is 90 divided by n. N is number of observation 5. 90 divided by 5. How much? 18. Guys, 18. You are having 18. So now I am having the numerator of the formula. Now I want to have the denominator. That is, you want to calculate standard deviation of x whole square. Guys, can you calculate the standard deviation? Yes, sir. We can calculate the standard deviation of x. That is under root of summation of x minus x bar divided by n. Guys, how much it is? I want to calculate the square. Can I remove the under root? Guys, when you will take the square of this, under root will be removed. Now you will have to calculate only summation of x minus x bar divided by n. What is summation of x minus x bar whole square? Summation of x minus x bar whole square. That is 10. How much is the n? 5. Guys, you have calculated it 2. Guys, now you are having covariance and now you are having the standard deviation of whole square. And you are having standard deviation whole square. Guys, can you put it over here? Yes, sir. Let's put it over here. Covariance is 18 and standard deviation x whole square is 2. 18 divided by 2. Again, my answer is 9. Again, my answer is 9. Guys, just tell me, no, Prasanna, why same answer or sir 9? Yes, it's okay. We are getting the same answer. That's cool. That's cool. No issues. I'm just trying to think which formula to apply to compute the b. Now, when you are having the b, guys, now you can calculate the regression equation. When you can calculate the regression equation, you can put the value of one variable and get the value of another variable. Okay, guys, you have to square it. You have to square it. When you will square it, there is under root will vanish. When you will take the square of under root, the under root will vanish. It will just summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n. And what is x minus x bar whole square? It is 10. Already provided with that. Pooja, is this point clear? Ranjit, Sanjay, sorry? Pooja, can you repeat? I'm unable to listen to you. Okay, see. Okay. Let's do one thing. Again, there is one same question. Pooja, I am taking the case C, same question as it is, same question. Okay, let's start. Okay, see, Pooja, here, whenever you see this particular thing, x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Guys, this thing is only provided to calculate the covariance. This thing is already only provided to calculate you the covariance. Now, we are having the 3 formula to compute the b regression coefficient. But we have to think which formula is better. Sir, how to think which formula is better? I have given, now below are the given formula, give us same thing. So apply the formula as per the data given in the question. By looking at the information given in the question, we have to decide which formula is better and which formula is not better. By looking at the formula, by looking at the data, we have to decide. Now see, I am telling you, if you are having all the observation, if the question has given you all the observations, I will tell you guys, apply the formula number 1. Think for the formula number 2 when you are having R. When you are having specifically, you are having R and you can calculate standard deviation and you can put it over the formula and get the B. But if you are having the data from where you can calculate the covariance, don't think about any other formula. Just think about the formula number 3rd. And what is the covariance? Covariance is summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. guys. So whenever you are having this thing in the data, make sure think about the covariance formula. Covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of x whole square. How to calculate the standard deviation? Guys, this is under root of x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Now see guys, don't worry about this covariance and standard deviation. When I will be teaching you the measure of dispersion, I will discuss these things in detail over there. I will be discussing these things in detail over there. Okay. So guys, now let's again, guys, can you see this thing? Can you calculate the covariance with the help of this? Pooja sir, just tell me yes or no. Can you calculate the covariance? Yes sir, it is x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. Sir, we can calculate the covariance. I am saying whenever the question is given you the data in such a way that you can calculate the covariance, I will always suggest you to think about the third formula to compute b. Sir, I need to calculate b y on x. Same formula, covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of x whole square. Sir, I need covariance. Guys, can you compute the covariance? Yes, sir. Covariance means summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n. What is x minus x bar into y minus y bar? That is 140. What is n? It is 5. 140 divided by 5, that is, guys, 28. Guys, is this point clear? Now, just tell me, can you compute the standard deviation of x? Yes, sir, that is under root of summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n number of observation. Sir, I need to compute the square of it. So when I will take the square, can I say my under root will vanish? It will be just summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n. What is x minus x bar whole square summation? 15. What is n? It is 5. 15 divided by 5, guys, it is 3. Now, sir, we are having covariance, that is 28. We are having the standard deviation of x whole square, that is 3. 28 divided by 3, guys, that is 9.33. 9.33. Guys, is this point clear or not? Sorry, is this point clear or not? Pooja, is this point clear to you now? After today's class, clear na? Yes, clear. Okay, guys, now one more good question is waiting for you. Wait. Just do this. Just solve this question. Without my help, please solve question number parts case D. Please solve case number D without my help. मेगा लग गई क्या उसको? दिखने लग गई उसको. Guys, just try. Wait a second, I'm coming. Please give me the answer of case D and D. Guys, done? Guys, done? 9? Again 9, Sundar. Okay, let's try. Okay, sir, I'm very happy that you all applied the formula. Guys, which formula? 1, 2 or 3? Which one? Just tell me. Okay, guys. So because we are having the data in such a way that we are having all the information of the first formula. Okay. So guys, can I say by on x is equals to, okay, sir, can you have n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n x square minus summation x whole square. So let's put it over here. What is n is 5. Summation xy is 90. Summation x is 0 into 0 divided by n is 5. X square summation is 10. So it will be, sir, 10 square minus summation x whole square. Sir, summation x is 0. 0 whole square will be again 0. So it will be 5 into 90, guys, that is 450. And it will be 5 into... Sorry. Wait. I did something wrong. It will be just 10. It will just 10 minus 0. It will be 50. 450 divided by 50. Guys, this will be again 9. Guys, are you done with the formula? Are you getting the confidence in the formula? After the practice, guys, are you getting confidence in the formula? Okay, guys, now without making any single mistake, just solve case E. I'm giving you one hint. Over here. Guys, standard deviation square is equals to variance. Or I can say variance is standard deviation whole square. Variance is equals to standard deviation whole square. Sigma represents the standard deviation and the square of it is variance. Prasanna, right answer. Sanjay, Sanjay, 1.27. How you are calculating it? Raj, right answer. Tamil, right answer. Sanjay, your answers are good, but why wrong? Think again. I will not give you any kind of it. Very, very easy question. Sir, you have directly given us covariance. There is nothing to think. We are very much clear that we need to apply by on x, that is covariance between x and y divided by standard deviation of x whole square. Say yes or no. Say yes or no, guys. Done? Sir, you are already given us covariance, that is 18. Guys, variance of x. Sir, variance means standard deviation of x whole square. Can I say I have already given you standard deviation of x whole square, that is only 2. 18 divided by 2, guys, again 9. Very, very easy question. This was a twist. I have given you variance of x. What do you mean by variance of x? Sir, standard deviation whole square. That is only variance. Which one? Yes. Why I have taken here 0? Please ask your question again. No, the summation is 0. Everything is given 0. Guys. No. See, it's x square summation is given already. So I will take only 10. Okay. Guys, we are done with the calculation. Now see, now you are having mastery in calculation of B. Say yes or no. Now, can you calculate B? Say yes or no. If you are having the value of B, guys, can you construct the regression equation? Say yes or no. Guys, if you are having the regression equation, can you estimate the value of one variable when another value? Guys, can you estimate the value? Guys, you are now completely confidently you can solve entire chapter. Trust me, this flow was very important. That why, when to study what, that is the beauty of the statistics. Okay, guys, now one full-fledged question is waiting for you. But I will not start with this question. I've solved over there. But guys, I will not start with this question. Today. I am giving you time. Today you have to see, we cannot increase the speed in this chapter. Guys, take a break, revise all the concepts, and I want all of you to solve the same questions again. Now I am giving you one homework also. Guys, I have given you the enough information from where you can calculate the by on x also. Now, you have to give me the answers of bx on y for the same questions. You have to calculate bx on y. For the same questions, you have to calculate the bx on y. I will be just asking for the final answers. 4 final answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Solve in rough copy. Guys, solve in your any rough copy and just bring the final answer over here. Okay. solve in any rough copy and give me the final answer. Guys, that's sufficient for the day. We have all, since I'm taking exclusively batch for you guys, so my speed, this speed will be sufficient. Okay, can I take one more question? Okay, guys, can we take one more question? One big question, one full-fledged question. Are you? I hope that you are not losing the confidence. Are you holding the confidence, guys? Okay. So, guys, now let's start with the concept. Wait. No hint. No hint. No hint. No hint. No hint. Wait. Yes, guys. Now see. Last question of the day. Full-fledged question. We will achieve all the aims. Next 5 minutes. Maria, we will understand the case C, but you can understand, since there was a network issue, you can see that in the backup. Guys, wait. Please come to this. Maria, don't worry. Everything will be clear from this question. Guys, find the regression equation y on x. Okay. Can I say they are asking the aim number 2? They are asking the regression equation. But I am extending this question and I am giving you calculate y when x is equals to 3. I have given you one more hint. I am giving you one more aim. Find y when x is 3. I am asking you to estimate the value of y when x is 3. Sir, we can do this. This is our final aim. But you need equation. Construct the equation. Sir, why are you joking? We cannot construct the equation unless we are having the b. Which formula to apply to compute b? I have given you all the observations. Which formula to apply to compute the b? Just tell me. Yes, first one. Sir, why? Sir, but you have given us everything challenge. You have given us the observations. I said yes. They are 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 10. What is y? 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 12. Sir, first off, I need to achieve my aim number 1. Sir, I need to compute which b? B y on x or x on y? Sir, because you need to construct the equation of y on x. So you need to construct your aim number 1, that is b y on x. Sir, we are having all the observations. So we can compute summation of xy. We can have the summation of x individual. We can have the summation of y individual. Then in denominator, we will have n summation x square summation minus summation of x whole square. Sir, now we can have everything. Guys, what is n? N is the number of observation. Can you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So we are having n. After that, we want x into y. So guys, what I will construct next? X into y. Let's construct 12, 28, 45, 50, 96 and 120. Guys, what is the total of this? 120 plus, 12 plus, 28 plus, 45 plus, 50 plus, 96 plus. Guys, it is 351. Sir, we are having now summation x into y also. Now you need summation x. Sir, what is summation x, guys? $34. What is summation y, guys? You need summation y also. What is summation y? $56. Guys, can you see? Now you are having everything of the denominator. 6 into summation xy is 351 minus summation x is 34. Summation y is 56 divided by n is 6. So now I need x square summation. Now I need x square summation. So I will x square 234. Okay, let's check. 2 to the 4, 16, 25. X square is 25. Square of 8 is 64. 100, 10 square 100. It is 4 plus 6 plus 25 plus 25 plus 64 plus 100. Guys, it is 224, no? Sundar, how much? 224? 234. Yes, 234. Sorry, 234. Guys, now you are having here 234 minus summation x whole square. So summation x is 34. So what will be the square of summation x? It will be 34 whole square. Guys, say yes or no. Now, can you tell me by on x, guys, now directly? 6 into 351 is equals to m plus 34 into 56 equal to m minus. I got this 202 in denominator. Guys, you can use m plus and m minus to save your time. Again, now 6 into 234 is equals to m plus 34 into 34 is equals to m minus MRC 248. 202 divided by 248, guys, this is 0.814. Guys, if I will take it round it off to 2 digit, it will be by on x is equals to 0.81. Now just tell me, guys, now you are having the value of b. Can you construct the equation? Say yes or no. Sir, once we are achieved the aim number 1, now we are having the value of b. We can construct the equation. So which formula to apply? Now see, guys, I will tell you. Now please pay attention over here. Guys, if someone name is Ravi Kumar, if I will call him Kumar Ravi. Does it sound good? Does it sound good? No. Sir, if it is there is a one standard, sir, one general format we all have set. First we have to say our name, then our father's name, then we used to say the surname. This is the general format. This is the generality that we have established. In the same manner, guys. In the same manner. Guys, this regression. See, guys, this is a general form. General form means you have to present your answer in the form of x is equals to a plus by. And when you are constructing y on x, present your answer in the form of y is equals to constant plus by. It is like if you will not present your answer like this, it will be Kumar Ravi. So your option won't tally. So you have to present your answer in the form of Ravi Kumar. Y one side. If you are making y on x, y on one side and remaining on the other. If you are making x on y, x on one side and remaining on other. But to construct the line equation, we use point form. Now let's come to this. I will explain this now, guys. Sir, I want to have y on x. So the formula for y on x is y minus y bar is equals to b y on x bracket x minus x bar. Sir, we are having the value of b. Say yes or no. We are having the value of b. Say yes or no. Guys, can you compute y bar? Sir, what is y bar? Guys, in a measure of central tendency, I have taught you y bar is summation of y divided by n. Sum of all the observations of y divided by n. What is summation of y? Guys, it is 56 divided by number of observations 6. 56 divided by 6. Guys, it is 9.3333. Yes, I am taking 9.33. Yes. Guys, can you compute x bar? Sir, summation x divided by n. 34 divided by 6. 5.66. Okay. Sir, now you are having all the things that you want. Let's put it over here. Y minus y bar. Y minus 9.33 is equals to b y on x. Sir, now we are having aim number 1. X minus x bar, that is 5.66. Guys, that is true that you have computed your equation. Y minus y bar is equal to m, whatever it is. But is this Ravi Kumar or Kumar Ravi? Sir, this is not good format, sir. You want to say y on x na, then make y on one side and another on another side. So I will say, yes, this is Ravi Kumar. Correct. Sir, let's make it Ravi Kumar. Let's make y on one side. Y minus 9.33. Let's open the bracket. 0.81x minus 0.81 into 5.66. Guys, this is 4.5846. Let's make y on one side. It will be 0.81x. Guys, when this will come over here, it will be in plus 9.33 minus So when you will solve this, it will be plus 4.4154. Guys, can you see this is Kumar Ravi or Ravi Kumar now? Now this is Ravi Kumar or Kumar Ravi? Sir, y is equal to, sir, we can say this is A and this is Bx and this is y plus. Can I say I have made this A y equal to A plus Bx with the A after achieving aim number 1? Guys, I have achieved my aim number 2. Guys, what was your final aim? Sir, to estimate the value of y when x is 3. Sir, now I am having the equation y is equals to 0.81x, 0.81x plus 4.4154, 4.4154. Sir, I need to find y when x is, let's put x. What is x? X is 3. When x is 3 plus 4.4154. Let's solve this. 0.81 into 3 is equals to m plus 4.4154. Guys, it is 6.8454. 6.8454. Guys, you have successfully estimated the value of y when the value of another variable was known. Just tell me, can you achieve your aim number 2 without aim number 3 without aim number 2? Can you achieve aim number 2 without establishing aim number 1? So guys, aim number 1, regression coefficient. That was necessity to make the regression equation. Sir, once we are having the equation, I will put the value of x and will get the value of y. Sir, can't understand aim number 2. Can you please explain? Yes, Sanjay, for sure. See guys, this is the formula that will give me the regression equation. Sanjay, is this much point clear that you have computed b and you have computed the x bar and y bar? Say yes or no. Now I put everything in this formula. I have constructed my regression equation. This is my regression equation only. But this is not the good presentation. Sanjay, this is not the good presentation. Because I need to present y on x. And how to make y on x? Y is equals to A plus Bx. Have you presented your answer in the form of y equal to A plus Bx over here? The answer is no. That's why guys, I open the bracket and I make y on one side and send the remaining to another side. Now see, this y is equals to A plus, here this is Bx. Now this is my general form. So whenever you are making the regression equation, always present your regression equation in the general form. Guys, now since you are having the equation, I put the value of one variable and I got the value of another variable. Guys, this was I told you, one question and entire flow will be clear in your mind. Guys, now I am giving you homework. Again, a full-fledged question is waiting for you. Guys, tomorrow I am not giving any kind of hint. I will not give you any kind of hint. Wait. Let me rub first. Guys, you have to solve the next example. This is your homework. And cut this and also compute share of inversion of P. Guys, cut from this line, cut this line, cut this second line, cut this second line in the next question. The question will end here. Find the most likely price of share of A where corresponding share of 6 of B. Okay, you have to think for this. You have to calculate aim number 1, aim number 2, aim number 3, everything. Same way you have to solve another question also. Yes, Sanjay, today I have not set up this calculator view. Tomorrow I will teach you m plus m minus. I will explain the concept how I solved with the help of m plus and m minus fast. Okay. Sir, 1 second. Explain. Guys, see. Okay. Tomorrow I will again start with the aim number 2. Okay. See guys, with the help of B, I need to construct the equation. And this is the formula, point form formula to construct y on x. I used that formula. But whenever we are presenting our answer, it should be in the standard format. And what is it? It should be in the general format. What is the general way to write y on x? It is y is equals to A plus Bx. Y on one side and sending the remaining to another side. That's why, guys. Sir, my answer is, guys, have I solved this wrong? Wait. 0.81. Value of x is 3. Okay, wait, I'm checking. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, let's solve this again. Guys, I put this over here. Now let's solve y minus 9.33 is equals to, let's open the bracket, 0.81x minus 0.81 into 5.66. This is minus 4.5846. Let's make y on one side. Why I am keeping y on one side? Because I have to present y on x. So I will keep y on one side and send the remaining to another. Let's send the constant over there. Plus 9.33. So the constant will settle down 0.81x plus minus minus, but there will be plus 9.33 minus 4.5846. Okay, 4.7454. Okay, guys. I have solved this. I think I made the mistake in this constant part, calculation part. I must have pressed any other button. Guys, now we are having the equation. That is y is equal to 0.81x plus 4.7454. Let's compute y when x is 3. 7.1754. Yes, y is equal to 7.1754. Guys, I hope I have made the calculation mistake. That's why you guys were asking. Now is that point clear? I made some calculation mistake over here. This is your regression equation. Guys, see, write down, this was your aim number 1. You computed the b. Now this was your aim number 2. You computed the regression equation. Now you achieved your final aim. You estimated the value of third variable, one variable, when value of x was known. This is your final aim. Guys, is this point clear? Guys, next 2 example in the concept handbook is your homework. Next 2 examples of your concept handbook is your homework. You have to solve it. Tomorrow, guys, we'll start with this next 2 questions. Tomorrow, my entire time will be for these 2 questions only. Okay? See you guys. I have to leave. Oh, okay. Don't worry. In next 10 days, we will rock with the statistics. I assure you.